To liberate the power of the mind, you must first be able to harness and direct its focus only to the task at hand. The moment you concentrate the focus of your mind on a singular purpose, extraordinary gifts will appear within your life. Why is it so important to have a concentrated mind? Here is a riddle that will answer this question nicely. Say you were lost in the woods in the middle of the winter. You desperately needed to stay warm. All you have in your knapsack is a letter, a tin of tuna, and a small magnifying glass that you carry to compensate your fading eyesight. Luckily, you find some dry kindling wood, but unfortunately have no matches. How would you light the fire? It's very simple. Place the letter among the dry wood and hold the magnifying glass over it. The rays of the sun will be focused so as to ignite the fire within a matter of seconds. And why that can of tuna? Oh, that's just to distract from the obvious solution. Putting just a letter over the dry wood would produce no results. The moment you use the magnifying glass to concentrate the scattered rays of the sun onto the letter, it will ignite. This is also true for the mind. When you concentrate its tremendous power on definite and meaningful objectives, you quickly ignite the flames of your personal potential and produce startling results. The secret of mastery is simple yet challenging to follow. Find out what you truly love to do and then direct all your energy to that. Once you concentrate your mental power and energy on a pursuit that you love, abundance flows into your life and all your desires get fulfilled. But consistency is the main ingredient. Find out what you love, concentrate on that with consistency, and be a pro in your field. That is the grandest recipe for success.